Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna showing you how you could easily fix story archive not showing on Instagram. So if you are facing this issue while using the Instagram and you don't know how to fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Play Store. You have to check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not. For that, tap on search bar icon, tap on search and search for Instagram. Here you have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app. If you are not, then simply update your app as soon as possible, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app, and it allows you to have a very easy and bug-free app. Once you are done, go back, head towards your app, tap and hold that out, head towards app info. Here you simply have to head towards storage and cache, clear out storage and cache for the Instagram, and after that your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.